Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Carver limited edition Swiss Army knife. This one is an absolute special knife, not only by the handle color. We selected the olive drab color we see with the red and silver shield from Victorinox. On the back side we have the same color, of course, with the engraving plate. It's the only model that is made in 93mm with two main blades. It's a really special Swiss Army knife in that regards. The run was 100 pieces of those, made by Victorinox for swissbianco in summer 2015 for the blade show. So as we look at the blades, there are some details. First, we always have the knife with the shield towards the left of the camera. As we open the main blade, over in that direction, this is always the plain edge blade. So we have a regular blade there in plain edge, and the secondary blade that goes to the other side has fully serrated edge. We see that it's fully serrated blade, so that gives you the maximum of use. Then we have a smaller blade, this time the hookbill sheepfoot blade here, the pruner blade. That style gives you a pretty good point in a shorter blade for whittling and for other cutting purposes. Then on the other side we have the awl. As usually, the awl comes in handy to carve holes and also starting a fire with the fire striker in case you don't want to mess up the blades. And the last tool that is in that really special knife is, of course, the saw blade. That is in the middle of the knife. The middle layer is the wood saw. The wood saw works with other materials like plastic as well. Of course, it's not designed for metal or steel. Something like that is too hard for that. Yeah, I'm really happy that we got this knife. That's one that is so absolute special in that line that we ever did with those two main blades, and for the future it doesn't look too good that we get more of them, so it is how it is. This run was 100 pieces and they were made by Victorinox for swissbianco.